I'm starting my micro exam 4. It's a 15 question test. Let's start with it. Halfway through the development of a new customer support software, a key programmer reports to the project manager that they can no longer access the development environment due to a system access issue. What is the most efficient step for the project manager to take to ensure minimal disruption to the project success progress? Suggest the programmer work on offline tasks until the access issue resolved. Note the access issue in the project's communication log for discussion at the next team level. Redirect the programmer's task to another team member until the original access is restored. Engage directly with the IT support team to resolve the issue as quickly as possible. So we need to engage with the IT team. During a crucial phase of constructing a new technology park, the project manager is informed that delivery of essential network equipment is significantly delayed due to the supply chain issue. Okay, the delay threatens the project schedule. What should the project manager do to address this challenge effectively? Expedite the completion of architectural and electrical setups that are independent of the networking installation. Engage with the current supplier to explore all possible options for reducing the lead time of the networking equipment delivery. Source alternative networking equipment that meets the project specification but comes from a different supplier with quicker delivery times. Reallocate resources to other critical path activities that can be advanced without the delayed equipments. I think first is not a good option. Engage with the current supplier to explore all possible options for reducing the lead time of the networking equipment delivery. This is also a good answer. Source alternative networking equipment that meets the project specification but comes from a different supplier with quicker delivery time. Reallocate the resources to other critical path that can be advanced without the delayed equipment. I think the second and third or is they both are good options. Now there is a supply chain issue. So does it mean that the equipment is on its way? If it is on its way, then engaging with the current supplier to explore all possible options for reducing the lead time of the networking equipment delivery. I think this should be the most feasible option for this, where there is an issue with the supply chain issues. And source alternative networking equipment that meets the project specification but comes from with quicker delivery time. I think we should speak to the supplier to explore the options for reducing our time. Yeah, because if we source equipment from another vendor, it will take some time, right? And there is no possibility that whether we will get those equipment or not. So since there is a supply chain issue, coordinating with the supplier should be the most feasible option. During a critical phase of an enterprise resource planning system integration project, a project manager faces opposition from a senior finance manager who is not convinced of the project direction and its impact on their workflows, causing concern among the project team. Okay. What action should the project manager take to effectively address this situation? Propose a trial period for the ERP system within the finance to showcase its capabilities. Organize a workshop that includes the project team and the senior finance manager to collaboratively discuss and address the concerns. Revise the project plan to incorporate specific feedback from the finance department aiming to align with the requirement. Escalate the matter to the company's CEO seeking their support to ensure compliance from the finance department. I think we should organize a workshop with the team and senior finance manager, and we should collaboratively discuss and address the concern that he has. As the project manager for a few new residential construction projects, you are informed by the primary building material supplier about an impending shortage of a critical material due to unexpected trade restrictions. Okay. Supplier, what I mean, shortage of I think there is a shortage of some material because of the trade restriction. What should you do first? Negotiate with the supplier? No, since there is a shortage and there is a trade restriction, negotiation is not the right thing to do here. Explore the feasibility of using alternative materials or construction methods. Communicate the issue to the stakeholder and propose a revised project timeline. Analyze the potential impact of the material shortage on project cost and schedule. I think we should communicate the same thing to the stakeholder and project. No. Fourth is the good option. Obviously, we should analyze the impact of this. And after that, we should do the feasibility thing of using the alternative material construction. The second and fourth, they both look correct to me. But before exploring the other option, I think we should analyze the impact of the material shortage on cost and schedule. Communicate the issue to stakeholder and propose a revised project timeline. I think we should analyze the impact first, and then we should go to the stakeholder and propose the revised project timeline. In a software development project, the project manager notices that the various project teams have different priorities and methodologies, leading to inconsistencies and delays in project milestones. The project manager realizes the need for a unified approach to streamline the processes and improve collaboration among the teams. The need for streamline the processes and improve the collaboration among the teams. What is the most effective course of action for the project manager to ensure consistent progress across all teams? Okay, consistent progress across all teams.